Let me show you how to create this dotted color halftone effect in Photoshop. Go to Adjustment Layer and choose Gradient. Choose the black and white gradient. Follow these settings. Change the angle to 0 degrees. When you finish, press OK. Right-click here and choose Convert to Smart Object. Let's rename the layer. Now go to Filter, Pixelate. Choose Color Halftone. Follow these settings. When you finish, press OK. Change the blending mode to screen. That's it. Hope you liked it. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Also watch other tutorials in my channel. Thanks for your support.